Hi everyone, welcome to our channel again. I am here today to do another brief introduction of how to use BSI software to adjust the parameters of electromotors. The function is very important for parameter adjustment when you use 4 or 6-axis servo drive. To process, we provide two different ways. First way, note already known parameters from the system in the BSI software. Some parameters used by standard models of electromotors. In this case, users only need to choose the corresponding parameter files. Every file has parameters for maximum 6 axes. Users can choose to note new parameters to all the 6 axes or just on one axis or some axes. Let's start. It's actually very easy. You will find the parameter option on the left side. On the menu bar, there is an option that says Note Parameter. This is where you are going. Choose the parameter you need. A new platform comes out. It shows all the motors we have. You can choose to note the parameter on any of the motor or on all of them, or on the sub-file of the motor, tuning configuration or auto-tuning, or even just some value number of the sub-file. The important thing here is that the user level it must be system. To access system, users need the code we have provided in the manual. If the positions for the parameter have been chosen, then click OK and we are good to go. The parameter is now in the position in device. If users have not found the type electromotors they use or related parameter files, you can use the second function we provide, motor parameter auto-tuning. But before auto-tuning, we must first make sure of a definition as well as key parameters. First, activation of access. See the picture on the screen, 0B, 00, 00, 000, and 0, that long row of zeros. 0B, 00 is a fixed number. The 6 zeros after are corresponding to each and every axis on the servo drive. Number 0 stands for disable, number 1 stands for enable. When you want to activate a certain axis, the only thing you have to do is to change 0 into 1. Second, the key parameters we must know before auto-tuning. Number of motor pole pairs, maximum current rated speeds, number of bits of single-tail, and the number of bits of multi-tail. After knowing this information and knowing that the motors have no payload, all the above 3 points have been covered. First, the activation of axis, and second, key parameters, and third, low payload on motors. Then we can proceed to auto-tuning. Now the BSI software. But first, you have to check if the user level is system. You can change user level anytime on the menu bar. Find the corresponding activated axis and click Configuration. And check on the number of motor pole pairs. Single and multi-tail, rated current, and motor rated speed. Through Modify button on the right side, users are able to modify the values update to complete the change. Back to my board. Go to test and to check on if the axis has been activated. Now it has all been disabled. I will then start the first axis by changing the number 0 into 1. Remember here, 1 stands for enable and 0 stands for disable forever. Now go to P029, the running mode of the server drive. Change 1 into 15 and update. We are preparing ourselves to activate the motor. 2 ways. First way is to press on the switch I1 button on device or through Enable configuration in Workspace. Click here to update and we will change the number 0 into 1. Now the motor has been started. If you can hear the voice, it will take a while. After the auto-tuning has been done, the number 1 here will automatically return to 0. We now go back to the running mode and change 15 into 16. And now update. Back to Workspace and enable by simply changing the number into 1. The device has been moving slowly. At a point, it will accelerate to the maximum status we have set. It will suddenly slow down after it has reached the peak. The number 1 will there automatically return to 0 again. It means the auto-tuning there has been completed. Don't forget to go back to main parameter and change the running mode 16 to 1 again. You can save the parameter you have just created as real on the menu bar here. By simply clicking Save Parameter. If the alarm has been activated, go to Alarm and find the problem according to the description on the screen. If you cannot find the problem, please contact us. We are always there for you. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.